There are some trips you plan for months, and then there are some trips where you decide to go literally a day before. This was definitely the second kind. Till the moment I boarded the train, I wasn't even sure I was going. Before leaving home, I kept thinking, नहीं जाती हूँ. Then I reached the station and still kept thinking, वापस घर चली जाती हूँ. फालतू में गुस्से में आके ट्रेन बुक कर दी यार. Also, I genuinely thought, इतनी गर्मी में कौन ही गधा होगा मेरे अलावा जो ट्रैवल कर रहा होगा. And then I reached the station and saw hundreds of people. So apparently the answer was a lot of people. The train finally arrived, and since it was my first time traveling in Vande Bharat, I was pretty excited. The only problem was I didn't get a window seat, and I was honestly annoyed. But then nobody sat on the seat beside me, so I got extra space to stretch my legs. After a delayed journey, I finally reached Varanasi and booked a cab to my hotel. And let me tell you, Banaras traffic tests your patience at a completely different level. My hotel booking said garden view. The first room they gave me didn't even have a proper window. When I pointed it out, they shifted me to another room. And that's when I learned that by garden view, they apparently meant 5 flower pots outside the window. Anyways, it was near the ghat, so it made my trip really easier. After a quick shower, I got ready and decided to head to Assi Ghat. And once again I thought, इतनी गर्मी में कौन ही होगा जो जा रहा होगा बाहर? Again, well, a lot of people. Apparently everyone had the same idea. I had never been on one of these boats before. The only boat experience I had was the speedboat in Rishikesh. Seeing all these boats decorated with lights looked so beautiful. And so I just immediately took out my tripod and started clicking photos and videos. It was so pretty, like the ones that I have seen in reel or in the movie. And honestly, I was really loving my outfit. The flower clip that I had, it was so cute, and also the dress was pretty. So obviously I had to take 100 of photos. By then I was hungry and wanted something warm, comforting and soupy. So guess what? I found Maggie. So I got myself a plate of Maggie. It costed like rupees 50 per plate, and the shopkeeper was really nice and sweet, so I like that. And somehow Maggie by the ghat just tastes better. And if you are there, you should definitely give it a try. Finally, after getting my Maggie, eating it, looking at the view, I just decided I need to keep walking around and take more photos. And there were even swings there, but I skipped them because पैसे कम थे और मेरे पास savings कुछ नहीं था. Impromptu trip का drawback. And after some time, I found this ice cream wala, so I decided to get myself an ice cream. And you should definitely try this strawberry cornetto by Amul. I was trying it for the first time and I really loved it. Then I thought to look at the aesthetic diyas that were floating in the river. So I got nearer and the river looked so dirty and I didn't find anything aesthetic in that. So I just came back. Also, did that boat give a kind of a Titanic vibe? Finally, I reached back to hotel because I had to work, and after that, I ordered my dinner. I asked for something spicy and the restaurant suggested paneer kaleji. Honestly, I had reached a point where I ordered kadai paneer everywhere I went, so I thought it was high time to explore different types of paneer. The first bite was amazing. The second bite was still amazing, but by the third bite, it was like, okay, this is getting very oily and very spicy. But overall, no regrets. Since I had to wake up at 4 in the morning for sunrise, I called it a night. So this was day 1 in Varanasi. Stay tuned for the second part of day 2 and subscribe and like for more such videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.